Whenever you have large use cases of public shared mobility and two-wheelers being used for business applications, and if they happen to be shared as well, then there is no other solution possible which is as effective and as value creating as a battery swapping model. Whenever you have large use cases of public shared mobility and two-wheelers being used for business applications, and if they happen to be shared as well, then there is no other solution possible which is as effective and as value creating as a battery swapping model. The reason is very simple. The asset, which is the vehicle, that has to be on the road 24/7. Otherwise, the value of that asset cannot create that supply in the market to cause large scale disruption, shift to electric mobility, and of course, the entire economics for the person who owns the vehicle, right? And the savings for the business also will be meager if they are limited by each time, the vehicle having to suffer downtime while being plugged to a charging station, right? No matter how fast the charging solution will be, it will also come with a price tag, first of all. It can't be implemented everywhere, given this is India and the load conditions and all of that. So you have to come up with battery swapping. And that's the experience that has come about. That's why you have large players like Gogoro, which have just now, signed JVs with Hero to come to India. There's a Hyundai. Only in the four-wheeler space, which happens to be obviously a personal vehicle, you don't share it with anybody. It tends to be high priced, it's a status symbol as well. Those will require charging stations, and they anyway have a downtime which is intrinsic to their usage. When you're in the office, it's down in your commercial parking or office parking for about 5 to 6 hours at least. So it doesn't require any change of habits. But certainly in the business to business space and public shared mobility, this is the only model that can work. Now, what is the best, most innovative model that can work? It is obviously the most asset light model will work the best for the company which is into this space. So you need to focus on your tech. You need to select the right battery and place it with stakeholders which are on these high traffic routes or transit hubs where exchanges of a discharge battery and a charge battery can therefore take place, which is in effect a swap. And therefore, the vehicle can be back on the road again, and you can continue to sweat that asset for its duties. So that's the way I think the model will tend to possibly work. The ownership of the vehicle can be singular or it can be shared, and consumers or recipients of such business-to-business services can therefore be benefited, or the companies can indeed be benefited by the savings in the margins that are made by shifting from fuel to electric. The assets will tend to be leased in this nature, because if this is going to require an asset light model to take place, then obviously the batteries cannot exist in the balance sheet because they'll suck up all the capital. So there will be methods of financing which will come up as lenders and financial institutions begin to understand that these assets can be put to good use, and a return which is higher than fixed deposits can be realized. So HNIs, alternative investment platforms, can take the lead over here, and then banks and financial institutions and specific credit companies, etc. They can come up in this particular regard. In terms of securitization, the batteries can certainly be fitted with controls. So you can have GPS chips, you can have deactivation mechanisms with geofencing, and of course KYC, etc. of the various stakeholders needs to be on the platform, and authentication for swapping has to be done through a mechanism which is not very different from recognizing your payment wallet at a merchant today when you're buying a cup of tea or coffee from using your QR code anywhere in the country. So that's really the sort of model in that sense. The model has, if it is built this way, has very good margins. They can be certainly 20 to 25% margins for the platform which is running this business. And this is when the assets are all as well are leased. So this in a very short sort of a way can be the way a very light asset model can be created, which can expand the usage of this. and how this is superior to a charging station universe for this specific use cases.